Dear students, in the last class we studied about the rotation revolution of the earth. Today we are going to study about the position of the earth. So because of the position we are getting some of the seasons like rainy season, spring season, summer season and then winter season. So why it is coming means some seasons we are getting means because of the earth's position. So in the June 21st, if you want to see, the earth is tilted towards the sun side in the north pole. So this pole is getting the light and heat from the sun. So because of that, and it is also tilted towards the sun, because of that this northern hemisphere is getting more daytime, and in this northern hemisphere summer season it will be when the summer season here. So the days are longer and nights are shorter. So because of that June 21st will be June month will be getting the longest days and then shortest night in the summer season in the northern poles. So even in the southern hemisphere, in this place they will be getting winter season. So why means this sunrise will be slanting to the pole side, and even in the southern hemisphere here the day times are less and nights are long. So here the day timings is more and nights timings is less. Here that will be revised. So here these people will be getting longest nights and shortest days. This northern hemisphere people will be getting longest day and then shortest nights. And this people will be getting, northern hemisphere people will be getting summer season and southern hemisphere people will be getting winter season. So this position of the earth we call summer solstice. This position of the earth we call summer solstice. So next 22nd, the December 22nd, here southern hemisphere will be tilted to the southern hemisphere is tilted to the sun side. The December 22nd in the northern hemisphere and will be getting less sunlight, and then southern hemisphere will be getting more sunlight because this is tilted towards the sun side, that's why. So days are longer here and nights are shorter here, and in the northern hemisphere so days are shorter and then nights are longer. So because of that northern hemisphere people will be getting winter season and southern hemisphere we are getting the summer season. So next, so this position of the earth is called, earth is there, no, this position of the earth we call winter solstice. So this position of the earth is called winter solstice. So on 21st here in the 21st March and even the 23rd September, so the sunrise are falling directly on the equator, so that this two position of the earth is getting days, equal days and equal nights. So this position of the earth we call equinox. So this is the position of the earth we studied, and on 23rd September autumn season in the north pole and spring season in the south pole. So whereas in the 21st March, so spring season in the north pole and autumn season in the south pole. I hope you understood this lesson, children. Thank you.